We have described the basic structure of atoms, but there are different types of atoms with different numbers of protons, electrons, and neutrons. They are called elements. The simplest element is hydrogen. It has one proton and one electron. Hydrogen is by far the most abundant element in the universe. Other elements have varying numbers of protons and neutrons. This oxygen atom has 8 protons and usually 8 neutrons. When it is electrically neutral, an oxygen atom also has 8 electrons. In total, there are 92 elements found naturally in the universe, and another 20 or more that have been created in laboratories. This periodic table is a list of all the elements. Every element has an atomic number, which is the number of protons that are found in the nucleus of the atom. Hydrogen has the atomic number of 1 and only has 1 proton. Iron is 26 and has 26 protons. Gold is 79 and uranium has the atomic number 92. For any element, the number of neutrons in the nucleus can vary from atom to atom. Atoms of an element with different numbers of neutrons are called isotopes of the element. For example, most carbon atoms have 6 protons and 6 neutrons. But carbon atoms frequently have 7 neutrons. This is called carbon-13. Carbon can also have 8 neutrons, carbon-14. The number of the isotope is determined by adding the number of protons and neutrons. The atomic mass of an atom is the total mass of all its protons, electrons, and neutrons. Scientists use the term mass rather than weight because it is a measure of the total quantity of an object's matter. In space, all objects are weightless, but they never lose their mass. Every element has a different atomic mass. The unit of measurement is defined as the atomic mass unit, or AMU. Chemists base the unit of measurement on the mass of the element carbon. A carbon atom was defined as having an atomic mass of 12 AMUs. Thus, 1 AMU is 1/12 of the mass of a carbon-12 atom, and is roughly equal to the mass of a proton or a neutron. But if you look at the periodic table, carbon does not have an atomic mass of 12. Any natural sample of an element contains certain percentages of isotopes, which have different mass values. On the periodic table, the value given for atomic mass is an average mass of the element including all isotopes. So the averaged atomic mass of carbon is 12.011. The atomic mass for all of the elements is determined in this way. The atomic mass of the different elements varies considerably. Hydrogen, with only 1 proton and 1 electron, is the lightest element with an average mass of 1.00794. As a general rule, the higher the atomic number of the element, the greater its mass. Isotopes of an element have a different mass, but essentially the same chemical properties.